8 fractions, multiplication of fractions. Don't forget, this segment is very important. The reason is, when it comes to grade 9 questions, when it comes to grade 10 and grade 11 questions, this knowledge, gaining this knowledge is very vital. So knowing this segment is essential if you are going to be an expert in maths in the future. So learn from me properly. If you got an issue, then you could post your idea using the comment section. So let's learn right now. Multiplication of fractions. Then how can you multiply this by then half into 1 over 4? Is it able to multiply this one? Yeah, really. So then 1 into 1. What is 1 into 1? Is 1. Then this one, 2 times 4 is 8. The answer is 1 over 8. Think of this one. You are able to multiply numerator values and denominator values separately. Think of this one. 3 over 7 into 1 over 5. How can you multiply this one? Yes. How can you multiply this one? Sorry. How can you multiply this one? Then 3 into 1. What is 3 into 1? Is 3. Then 7 times 5 is 35. This is the answer. Okay. These types of sums you could simplify easily using this way. Okay. Sorry. Third question. This type of one. Then half into, I'm going to multiply a fraction by, fraction times a whole number, which means half into 6. How can you multiply this? Half into 6. Yes, half into 6 means really, you need to multiply here, right? You need to multiply here. Half times 6. How can you do this really? Here 1 into 6 is 6. Then here 1, then in the denominator it's having 1. Then 2 times 1 is 2. Then 6 upon 2 is 3. Really, then instantly you could see that, directly you could see that this was the question. Then it has given to multiply this. Really, this can be multiplied. In addition to that, multiplication equals, half into 6 means 6 over 2. Okay, so the answer here is, 3. Bear in mind it. This answer, here the question is, you need to multiply half times, half is multiplied using 6. Half is multiplied using 6. Here you need to multiply. Anyway, here you need to multiply. Although it has this, although you are able to see this question that this has given to multiply, then this means really then 6 should be divided by 2, which is 3. Okay, then really you need to divide 6 by 2. But anyway, how can you do this question? Same thing. Then half times 6. Half times 6. This can be simplified that you have to find the multiples of 2 in 6. So, 6 upon 2 is 3. 6 upon 2 is 3. Then 2 upon 2 is 1. Therefore, this side divided by, this 2 is divided by 2, 6 also divided by 2. Then this is written as, half into 1/6. Half into 1, half into 6. 2 upon 2 is 1. 2 upon 2 is 1. Right? 6 upon 2 is 3. Which means, one time it says that 1 time 3 times. What did I do here? 2 was divided by 2. 2 upon 2 is 1. This is read as one time. One time means 2 is divided by 2, which is 1. When you divide 6 by 2, then the answer is 3. This is told as, this is one time, this is 3 times. 1 time, 3 times. This means 2 is divided by 2, 6 is divided by 2. So, now 1 into 3. 1 into 3 equals to 3. This 1 is not taken here. Generally, you know that when it is taken here, then 3 upon 1 is again 3. Therefore, we do not consider this one. Okay. So, the answer here is 3. Think of this one. You know, 6. Here, 6 times half. Same question. Same question. You know, 2 can be divided by 2. 1 time, 3 times. Then 3 into 1. What is 3 into 1? 3 into 1 is 3. Think of this one. You know, 4 over 7 times 14. When you do more and more questions, you will be able to realize the proper scenario, proper way of doing these sums. You know, 4 over 7 times 14. 4 over 7 times 14. When it is multiplied, don't forget, right? When it is multiplied, you could use this way. Not when it is added. Just I have given you this one, this addition as well. Then 7 is a multiple of 7. 7 is a multiple of 7, which means 7 times 1 is 7. 14 is a multiple of 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 2 is 14. So, one time means 7 is divided by 7, which is 1. One time, and 14 is divided by 2. This is read as 2 times. 1 time, 2 times. 1 time, mentioning that 1 time, you could cut this. 1 time, 2 times. So, 4 times 2 is 8. This is the answer. But is it able to divide this one and simplifying this one? I mean, this sum as that 1 time, 2 times. You can, but this is wrong. You can't. Answer is wrong. You can simplify, but the answer is wrong. This way is applied when you multiply. Only when you multiply. Okay. So, think of this one. 7 over 6 into 24. How can you do this? 7 over 6 into 24. You know, 6 is a multiple of 6. 24 is a multiple of 6. So, 7 over 6 times 24. So, 1 time, 4 times. You know, 6 times 24 upon 6 is 4. Then 6 upon 6 is 1. This is read as 1 time, 4 times. 7 times 4. 7 times 4 is 28. This is the answer. Okay. Let's do this one. 7 over 5 times 20 over 21. Yes. How can we simplify this one? Here multiplication. Okay. This way can be applied when it is multiplied. You can't simplify, then I will write this one here, that subtraction. Right? Previously I gave you that addition. So here I will write the question again. 7 over 5 times 20 over 21. This can be simplified as 1 time 4 times. 5 over 5 1, 25 over 20 over 4 5. 1 time 4 times. Then 1 time 3 times. This means in 7 into 7 over 7 is 1, 21 over 7 is 3. 1 time 3 times. Then 1 into 4. 1 into 4 over 1 into 3. So 1 into 4, 4, 1 into 3, 3. 4 over 3 can be written as a mixed number. You know, you learned this one in the previous lesson in fractions. So this can be kept as a mixed number because you know that 3 is less than 4. So 1/3 is the answer. Okay. So Think of this one. 11 over 7. 11 over 7. Here 33. Here 35. Into 28 over 5. How can we do this? Yes. Here multiplication. Yes, I was unable to teach you the previous question here. I mean, when it comes to this one here subtraction. Are we able to divide like, here we simplified. Is it able to use this way? No, you are unable. But I will do this. 1 time 4 times. 1 time 3 times. Is it able? No, you can't. Reason here subtraction. When it multiplies, this way is applied. This way is applied. Let's do this one. You can simplify that. 7 is a multiple of 7. 35 is a multiple of 7. So, 1 time 5 times. This 5 and this 5 again can be cancelled out. That 1 time, then this one, this 11 and this 33, 1 time 3 times. That's all. 1 into 1, 1 into 28, 28. 28 over 3. 28 is not a multiple of 3. Therefore, this can be kept as a mixed number. 3 times 7, 21. 20 3 times 9, 27. 27 plus 1 is 28. 28 over 3. Okay. Then 3 times 9, 27. 8 minus 7 is 1. Let's do this one. 1.5 into 9 here 8 over 9, and also then here 11 1 over 5. How can you do this? Yes. Sorry. How can you simplify this? Here is a mixed number. 2 into 1 mixed. This can be written as an improper fraction. 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 over 2. Here 8 over 9. Here also a mixed number. Let's write this as an improper fraction. 5 into 11, 55 plus 1 is 56. 56 over 5. Let's simplify this one. Then this 2 and this 8 can be cancelled out. 1 time 4 times. This 3 and this 9. 1 time 3 times. You can't simplify more. 56 is not a multiple of 5. Therefore, you can't simplify. 4 into here 1. 4 into 56 over 3 into 5. 56 times 4, you could multiply. 4 times is 24, remain is 2. 4 times 5, 20 plus 2, 22. 224. Bear in mind is 224 here. And also, it's able to divide 3 times 5 is 15. This can be kept as a mixed number. 224 over 15. 224 over 15. How many 15 times found in 224? 224 over 15. Yes. 15 times 1 is 15 here. 12 minus 5 is 7. Then here 74. Then 15 times 5 is 75. 15 times 4 is 60. Yes. So the answer is 14. Remainder is 14. Here answer is 224 over 224 over 15. Here the denominator value is 15. The remainder also 15. Here 14. So 14 over 15. This is the answer. If you are a new student into my YouTube channel, you can subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thanks a lot. I will be doing the second part of fractions as well in the near future. And also you could do the sums found in the exercise in your textbook. Thanks.